If your product includes a bath spout, install the tube so it extends 2 3/4 inches to 3 inches from the face of the finished wall. Use emery paper to remove burrs from the end of the tube. Clean any remaining debris. Slide the bath spout over the tube and against the wall, and secure using a 1/8 inch hex wrench. If your product includes a shower arm, slide the wall plate onto the shower arm, and apply thread sealant tape. Install the shower arm using a strap wrench. Remove the plaster guard, then turn on the water. To adjust maximum water temperature, refer to the valve installation instructions. Turn off the water, and then place the sleeve over the diverter stem. Measure the distance from the finished wall to the end of the valve stem, shown as measurement Y. If the measurement between the finished wall and the end of the valve stem is between 2 3/8 inches and 2 11/16 inches, install the short adapter. If the measurement between the finished wall and the end of the valve stem is between 1 5/16 inches and 1 13/16 inches, install the reversible adapter in orientation A. If the measurement between the finished wall and the end of the valve stem is between 1 9/16 inches and 2 1/16 inches, install the reversible adapter in orientation B. Snap the threaded adapter into the round plate. Use the 2 screws to secure the round plate to the valve. Apply 100% silicone sealant to the sides and top of the escutcheon. Orient the notch on the escutcheon facing down, then slide the escutcheon over the round plate and against the wall. Slide the spacer into the sleeve around the diverter. Thread the diverter cap clockwise to secure. With the handle facing down, thread the faucet handle onto the valve. Run water through the shower arm to remove any debris. Apply thread sealant tape to the shower arm, then install the shower head. Thank you for choosing Kohler. Click on the links in the video description to register your product and learn more about the Buckley Rite-Temp bath and shower trim.